Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Raki from Ahana Medical and Dental Care Center. This is the case of faulty PFM crown and patient wants कि इसे replace कर दो और पहले जैसा बना दो. So we will remove first this faulty PFM crown. So we replace this faulty PFM crown with the superior metal-free Zirconia crown, and this is a Zirconia crown. We have taken the impression and this is a Zirconia crown which we will place in the patient mouth. Now we will place the Zirconia crown in the patient's mouth and see the final look. Wow! If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.